Dear students, welcome back to my channel. This video for the students of class 2A and also for class 2B. Our subject is mathematics. I hope all of you are keeping very well. You know, we are in the third chapter, which is entitled as Numbers up to 1000. In the previous video, we have discussed about 3-digit numbers on the abacus. Today, in this video session, we will discuss about places and face value, expanded and short form of the numbers, before, after and between the numbers, comparison of numbers. These topics are based on 3-digit numbers, and you know, we already discussed these topics in the previous class, that was in our first unit syllabus for 2-digit numbers. We already discussed place and face values, expanded form, before, after and between of 2-digit numbers, comparison numbers also we already have discussed. So in this video we will do the same thing for 3-digit numbers. Clear? So let's start with our new topic, that is place value and the face value. I think you know what is the place value and the face value. So what is place value? Place value means each digit in a number has a place depending on its place. Okay, and what is face value? Face value of a digit is same as the digit itself. Clear? Suppose I am taking an example 253. You know, this is a 3-digit number. 3 is in the ones place, that's why I am writing O. O means ones. There is another place which is tens place. 5 in this place, tens place. The new term, that is 100, this is another place, and 2 is in this place. Now if I ask what is the face value of 3, face value, face, so the digit itself. If I ask about what is the face value of 3, so the answer will be 3 only. If I ask you what is the face value of 5, so it will be 5 itself. If I ask you what is the face value of 2, similarly it would be the 2. Okay, so they are face value. If I ask you about place value, So what is now the place value of 3? Sorry, since 3 is in the ones place, so it would be 3. What is the place value of 5? Since 5 is in the tens place, so it would be 50. What is the place value of 2? It is 200, because 2 is in the hundreds place. Clear? So now let's move on the some problem that is in your page number 55. Write the face value of the encircled digit in the box. You know, the face value means the digit itself. So in the question A, 8 is encircled. So what is the face value of 8? So the digit itself, that means 8. What is the face value of 6? It's the digit itself, 6. Similarly, it would be 5, it would be 9, it would be 5, it would be 2, it would be 4, it would be 2, it would be 9. Clear? Now you have to remember one thing, which is face value and place value of the digit 0 is always 0. So this is the important thing. Clear? Now the next one. Now we will study about expanded form and short form of 3-digit number. You know what is expanded form? Expanded form means a number written as the sum of the place values of its digits. So I am giving you an example, which is 563. So what is the expanded form of 563? So 500 plus 60 plus 3. That means the sum of the place values of their digits. That is called the expanded form. And now what is the short form? The number written in standard form is said to be in short form. So here in the above example, 563 is the short form, and this is expanded form. Clear? Now let's move to the problem that is in your page number 56. Fill in the blanks. Question A already solved. Now I will solve question number B. It is given 593. That means 5 hundreds, 9 tens and 3 ones. So this is the expanded form. 639, that means 6 hundreds, 3 tens, 9 ones. Similarly, the D you have to solve. Clear? Now 13, write the expanded form. 397, that means 300 will come in the hundreds place, then 90 will come, then 7 will come. So this is called the expanded form. And in the C, the short form is 702. So in this first one it will be 700. In the second, dash, it will be only 0, since I already told you that the place value of 0 is always 0. So you have to write, since the digit is 0, so you have to write here only 0. You can write 00, it means a single 0. So you can write 00 or single 0, whatever you wish. Now the last one, it will be 2. Similarly, question number D, you have to solve by yourself. Clear? Now 14 number question, write the short form. This is very easy example. I already discussed about this topic, so you have to solve, you have to by yourself. Question B, it will be 929. Question C, it will be 666, that means 666. Similarly, D, it will be 403, since 0 is in the tens place. Now E, F, G, H, this is your home task. You should have to write in your copy. These all the problems you have to write in your copy, okay? And whatever I am giving you HW, you should have to fill up by yourself. Now I am going to the next topic, that is before, after and between. You know about the predecessor and successor. You know, the predecessor means the next number. Not the next number. Predecessor means the number before come. The successor is the number comes after. Okay, you know, here in the question number A, it is given 146. Since 146 it is given, so now the question is what comes before. That means it is asked what is the predecessor of 146, which number will come before 146. You know, 145. Similarly, question number B, it will be 292, that means 292. Question number C, it will be 361. Question number D, it will be 408. Question number E, it will be 529, since it is 30. And F, G, H, you have to solve. Okay, now what comes between? So you should have to fill up what is the number which comes before between the numbers. So you know, 126, then 127, then 128. So 127 is the number which comes between. Okay, similarly 250, that means 250. Question number C, it will be 313. In D, it will be 458. In E, it will be 542. Okay, now E, F, G, H, this is also your home task. You should have to do in your copy. Now what comes after? Which number will come after the numbers which is given? In A, it is given 733. So after 733, the number will come 734. That is the successor of 733. Now if the question is what is the successor of 252, 253. Just add 1. C, the next number, 391, and D, 413. Similarly, E, F, G, H, this is also your home task. Okay, now I'm coming to the comparison of numbers. Comparison of numbers, you can compare the numbers, which one is largest, which one is smallest. You can compare, and you already have learned in the previous lesson, that is in the first chapter. Since if I give you 58 and 53, you can easily check 58 is greater than 53. How to check? You have to check the first digit from the left end. Since this 5 is same for both, now you have to check the next digit, which is 8, and in this one it is 3. Since 8 is greater than 3, so the numeral 58 is greater than 53. So 58 is the greatest one. Similarly, in question number 18, similarly we can do for the 3-digit number also. Circle the greatest number and cross the smaller one. In question A, we have to circle the greatest number. You know, it is 128 and it is 149. So you have to check at first the hundreds place. Since the digit 1 in both place, this is same. Now you have to check the next place, that is in the tens place, which is 2 and it is 4. Since 2 is less than 4, that means 149 is greater than 128. So circle the greater one. So I have encircled and cross the smaller one. So I crossed the smaller one. Similarly, question number B, it will be 257. This is the biggest one, and 187 is the smallest one among these. Since in that 100 digit it is 2 and it is 1, so obviously 257 is greater than. Now C, D, E, F, you should have to write in your copy, and you have to do by yourself. This is your home task. Now in question number 19, you have to fill up greater than, less than, or equal to. The same logic I will apply. 151 and it is given 161. Since 6 is greater than 5, so it would be less than 151, less than 161. 132, both the number is equal, so the equal sign will come. 350 and 323, 350 is greater than. 201, it's equal. 320 and 322, since in the ones place it is 0 and it is 2, and both the digit which is in the tens place and the hundreds place, they are same, so it is less than. Okay, now F, it will be greater than, and G, H, I, this is your home task. So you should have to fill up. Now write any two numbers in question number 20. Write any two numbers greater than the given number. So you can write any two numbers which is greater than 111. You can write 121, you can write 132, as you wish. You can write, it should be greater than the given number. Since it is given 111, so you have to write the greatest number among which is given. Okay, now you should have to fill up by yourself. Similarly 21, this is your also home task. Here you have to write the smaller number. So you have to write which is smaller than 456. 300 is also smaller than 456. 393, 392 is also the smaller than 456. So any two number which is smaller than 456 you can write. Okay. In question number 2, circle the smallest and cross the greatest number in each set. We already have done in the question number 1. The same question is coming. Now I am solving question number A. Circle the smallest one. Which is the smallest one among these numbers? 345. And cross the greatest number. So circle the circle. So I have encircled and cross the greatest number. Yes, 564 is greatest number, so cross them. So I crossed out. Okay. Similarly, B, 918, this is a bigger one, so it will be crossed out, and 618 is the smallest one, so I have encircled. Similarly, question number C, 701 is the 701, 700 and 710. You know 710 is much bigger than among these numbers, so 710 is the greatest number among these numbers, so I cross out and I encircle 700, which is the smallest one among these numbers. So similarly, D, E, F, G, H, I, this is you have to write in your copy and you have to solve by yourself. Okay. Now question number 23, which is write a number lying between the number by the given numbers, between the given numbers. So 300 and 400, so you have to write any number between 300 and 400. Any number. You can write 350, you can write 349, you can write 301, you can write 399. Any number you can write, but it should be between 300 and 400. Similarly, all the questions you have to fill up by yourself. Clear? So this is also your home task. That is all for today, and we'll meet on the next topic, the next video. Thank you.